Welcome back, students. On this video, we're going to cover the assignment called Project 4 using the Blend tool. So hopefully in Module 5, you learned and got accustomed to the Adobe Photoshop Express app. So in Module 6, there's going to be 3 assignments. The Project 4 is using a blend tool and specifically using the light leaks option, and that's what this video is going to focus on. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So for this assignment, I want you to do a search once again on Unsplash for a night image. If you want to just put in the search night, and then you can go from there. You could select star or night sky. But I want you to, the idea behind your selection is an image that has the dark night sky, because we're going to be using some light tools on this Photoshop Express. So I already have one downloaded, so let's go ahead and get started on that. So I'm back in, this is the page where I can open up my image on Photoshop Express. So I'm going to open up the image I selected. And then once that loads, then the tool we're going to use on this is the blend. And the blend tool is going to have beta beside it. And what beta means is it's in the initial stage or the beginning stages. So whenever software is in the beta stage, it's basically a newly adapted tool, and they're basically have it out there for people to test, and they'll probably be making some adjustments to it. So that's why that says beta next to the blend tool. Okay, so I have my image opened up, and for this one, for this option on this picture, I want you to use the light leaks option. And when you select that, anything that has an L in front of it, so that we're going to start with L1 and it all goes all the way through L15. So there's 15 different options that you can use with this link ops. So the one that I selected is L9, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then on this option, there is a slider, so I'm going to just decrease the intensity of the light streams. And the reason I selected this is on this option, these two light streams are really focused right down on the name of this cafe, the Cafe Crepe. So got that finished. Now I'm going to go ahead and save it. So you go over to next. Once again, my size is a 64 by 80, so I'm going to leave it set on that. And then my quality is 85, so I'm going to leave that selected. And then I'm going to go over and save to the gallery. And then I can go back now to my files. And then under my play files, I'm going to go to Pictures, Photoshop Express, and then there's the image that I just created. So I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to select Rename, and I'm going to call this Project 4. Well, let me try that again. So select Rename, and then Project 4. Then I can come back over to my Photoshop assignment, open up the link, and then I'm just going to browse right back to my files. And then hit open, and then that'll attach, and then I can hit submit. So hope you have fun with this assignment. Select a nighttime image that you'd like to use. There's a lot of different options, and then under your using your Adobe Photoshop Express tool, select the blend tool, and then select the light links option that you'd like to use. So have fun with this assignment.